Okay, so today I'm going to be messing with the Cadet 149 hydrostatic, and I just got a plow for this thing. It's awesome. And my buddy Charlie gave it to me. Buddy, more like extremely awesome neighbor. And yeah, I still need headlights. Not need, but wouldn't hurt. I need a new front tire because that one's about to explode. But my tire chain's broke on me. They're rough. They're like, that is holding it right there. Well, obviously there's chain, but it kept on, it would catch the fender. Not really catch, but it would hit the fender. So I had to do that so it wouldn't hit the fender, but that's held up perfect. But this one broke when I was trying to get that plow. So as you can see right here, broken. See, there's supposed to be a shaft or something, I don't know. Supposed to be some kind of shaft that goes up, goes back, connects to the lever, but there's no lever here. This is just it. Hydraulic thing. It's all the way down. I made this handy dandy thing that tells you. Obviously I had to loosen this, but this thing was perfectly right there, and then it would go up, tell you how high up your mower deck is. So pretty much I had to take the whole frame off. Not frame, well, the mower deck frame. And just zip tied that up. So if anybody knows how to get a belt off halfway easily. So I can figure it out. Anyways, I'm going to be, I just welded that. I did not take a video of that. I should have, but I just got done welding that with the MIG welder. Pretty sure it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna be putting those tire chains back on. Again, these are let's see, 20, 30, probably close to 40-year-old tire chains. So yeah, they're a little rough, but they work. They get her done. I took that knob off. It's easier without that knob. I'll stick it back on when I put a mower deck on it, but I'm almost thinking I might not. I might use the 1028. What the hell is it? 1810, duh. I might just use that for the mower and this for a plow. This looks awesome with that plow on. This looks sweet. Especially with the front end. Anyways, the plow is like brand new. It's still got the international sticker. The dealer, international. Barely see it right there. Used to be. That's where it was. Bought from. Anyways, the starter's quite rigged up. As you can see, that is hot glue holding that terminal from touching the metal. And that is completely stripped. So I chopped it right in the middle, right there. So I could slip it on and then tighten the bolt. Same thing on this. I had to do the same thing because I had to cut this so the bolt wouldn't go out over the cut very easily. So, oh, high definition, old cut up finger. And then pretty much whatever. That works though. Seems to. Except for my battery's crap. It's 250 cranking amp. I already repainted the international symbol. At least the middle. It looks terrible because there's so much dust, but it used to be bright red. See, 250 cranking amp, and I brought it back to life with something they sell on eBay. Well, it works, but not the greatest of all time. I need a new seat. Either way, I'll probably first I'll be putting the tire chains on, then I'll weld some kind of contraption here. I may bolt it, but welding sounds the easiest. Weld some contraption on here that goes probably up to about here, because down here has nowhere close to enough leverage to pull this up. So I'm going to see if I can get something that goes up to about here. That should lift it. Maybe I'll put it like at an angle. That'll work. Either way. It's the moment of truth after I jump started this thing because it's out of battery. Okay, let's see if it has enough power. Yes! Yes! Doesn't go up very far, but it does. Ha! As far as it's gonna go up, but still. Sweet success. 100% success. That's all it needs to come up. Enough to drive around. Yeah, I'm not gonna drive it anywhere else than on snow, so not much snow out there, even though it looks it. Still, tomorrow when it's light, I'll go and mess around with it. Till then, success. That looks so awesome. Yeah, come get at 149 International. With tire chains. It's all for Project Rust today. Kitty.